Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. While that other video was loading, I thought, there's another way. Most of the time I don't make a video unless there's another way that's better. And this really isn't better, but it would have its cases if there were 100, like I had to fill in all these black spaces. There was only like 5. 1, 2, whatever spaces that are white I had to fill in. So that, on this particular case, my way in part 1 would have been better, but if there was a lot of these, this would be better. So we're going to take this image, we're going to go to Object and Group and Ungroup, and then select the whole object right here and go up to Trim. What that did is it took the white and made it. It just trimmed it out. Now, the reason I said that is because we could let's get rid of this item, get rid of these guys just so they won't cause any trouble. If you had 100 of these little white spots and you wanted to get rid of them, you can go to edit, find and replace. The last time I used this, I used text, so we need to go find object. We don't have to replace any object, but we're going to edit the query. Now this is a little bit different in 2019. We want uniform fill. And you want to double click on the text, and then you get uniform color, and you'll go down to the eyedropper. Doesn't matter what color this says, and take your eyedropper tool and press on that white, and they just happen to all be the same. And then hit OK, and then find all, and then hit the delete button, and it deleted all those whites. So that would help you if you were doing a bunch of removal. My way with Smart Fill was pretty good, but like I said, if you had a lot of these guys or multiples in everything, that would be the way to do it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.